हमारी आईडीए छत्तीसगढ़ चैप्टर की जो कन्वीनर है डॉक्टर डाइटिशियन शिल्पी गोयल, उनको आमंत्रित करती हूँ और इस कार्यक्रम को आयोजित करने के लिए एक फॉर्मल थैंक्स जो है हेमचंद यूनिवर्सिटी को और पाल्टा मैडम को देती हूँ कि उनके कारण ही हमारे लिए ये दोनों कार्यक्रम बहुत सक्सेसफुली हम लोग इसको कर पाए। ओवर टू शिल्पी, थैंक यू।
Thank you, Joglekar ma'am. Very good afternoon to one and all present here. I take this privilege to extend my heartfelt welcome to our esteemed speaker, Ms. Shaini Sundaran, our patron IDA Chhattisgarh chapter, Dr. Aruna Palta ma'am, Dr. Sandhya Verma ma'am, our immediate convener, past convener, Ms. Champa Majumdar ma'am, our founder convener, Dr. Rashmi Minj ma'am, all my team members, local executive committee members, and all my dear life members. This is a very prestigious and a proud moment for all of us when we are releasing our first issue of Nutrigar newsletter. And not only this, this is another a big occasion because we are going to hear from Shaini ma'am. She is a national faculty and we have heard her so many times in IDA National Convention. And I'm so grateful to you, ma'am, for accepting our kind invitation. And this is, of course, a Zoom meet. We will soon invite you to our state, Chhattisgarh. Here we'll physically welcome you. Here we can only welcome you through our words. So thank you so much for accepting our invitation and joining us on this occasion. Magazine editor team, in fact, the team is led by Chitranjan and Dr. Rashna Saxena, who have worked so hard, not only since collection of article, case studies, quizzes, chapter activity, to formulating and designing it. And let me tell you that without any professional help, our newsletter looks amazing. So we are so proud of their hard work and we are so happy to be sharing this newsletter with you today. So I really, without delaying any single moment, I invite Chitranjan to share his feeling. Chitranjan, over to.
Good evening to everyone, all the seniors and all the colleagues, all the IDA members. Without wasting much of our time, I would like to thank our chapter president Shilpi Madam she has given such a wonderful introduction of us. On behalf of 6 points, one is why we have kept the name NutriGud here. Nutri is for nutrition and Gad is for Chhattisgarh. So our Chhattisgarh is full of nutrition. If you go through the magazine, you will find from the first message till the last, we have the collection of all the vivid nutrients and nutrients-rich food items in our newsletter. Second thing, this was a newsletter which we have created without any professional help, as our president has already told, and kept yellow the front cover page. The reason behind that is yellow stands for vibrance, and it is a color which shows that somebody who aspires, they love yellow color. And yes, we are the aspiring chapter. And in this issue, if you go through, you will find that we have included two such senior members who have made us proud. I would like to highlight Dr. Aruna Palta madam. She has made us proud because she is the one and only one first female person who who has appointed as a vice chancellor of a university in Chhattisgarh state. And not only that, she is the first member who holds nutrition degree and holding such a higher hierarchical position in academic level. So she has really made us proud. Madam, we salute you. Apart from that, Dr. V. Champa Majumdar, we cannot forget her hard toil because she is the one who has taken clinical nutrition up to next level in Chhattisgarh. She is the one who is leading clinical nutritionist group in Chhattisgarh. She has made us proud by her clinical practice, and we are proud of you and we salute you. Uh, apart from
Thank
that,
you.
Apart from that, I would like to highlight that this is the first inaugural issue of our Chhattisgarh chapter. This is not the end. It is the beginning. So each and just want to say everyone, just gear up, get ready with your case studies, your articles, collect it so that we can proceed for further means preparation and designing of our further issues of our NutriGuard. I thank all of you for supporting us. Hand over to Shilpi ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, Chitranjan. Our patron, IDA Chhattisgarh chapter, Dr. Aruna Palcha ma'am, for releasing the NutriGuard magazine and saying few words to us.
Good evening to one and all present in today's program of webinar come release of NutriGuard. And it gives me an immense pleasure to release the first volume of NutriGuard, that is the e-newsletter of Indian Dietetic Association Chhattisgarh chapter. As Chitranjan rightly said, the name was selected after a long discussion and after a number of suggestions from different dietitians, NutriGuard, and he has rightly explained it. And I would like to add also that Gard means fort or killa. So definitely Chhattisgarh is the fort of nutrition, or it is the place where you get number of foods with very good functional qualities, with full of antioxidants, very rare food items which are not available all throughout India, because we all know that Chhattisgarh is a place with 40% forest cover. And number of such varieties of plants exist here, tubers exist here, which are found nowhere across the country. And those foods, they have got to know what to eat, at what time to eat, and what is the right quantity to be eaten, and in which manner the cooking should be done. I've seen this issue. Really, the first page is very vibrant, yellow colored page, and all the articles are very well placed. And I would like to congratulate the editors for this, Dr. Rachna Saxena and Dr. Chitranjan Yadav, because it is only their effort which has come out in true sense today in the form of this magazine. So once again, wishing the entire team good luck for future also, because I know this is a biannual magazine and the second issue will definitely come out sometimes in December, January. So they have to again start working for it. And as Chitranjan has already stated, that all the dietitians of the state and all the nutritionists of the state, they will get place in this magazine. And I wish that this magazine is going to occupy a good place in the state. Not only in the state, it is because it is an e-newsletter, it can be circulated across the nation, across the world, so that people can be benefited out of it. So thank you once again, and congratulations the entire IDA team, the LAC members of IDA, and I take this honor of releasing or unveiling this NutriGuard magazine, showing the front cover to all of you. So this is the attractive and the beautiful magazine, of course, newsletter come magazine. All the LEC members, they can hold their magazines. And a proud moment, of course, for Indian Dietetic Association. So this chapter is in the state of infancy, but yet you see what efforts they are doing to come forward. Mic for further proceedings to Shilpi.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you for your blessings and your ever available support. Thank you so much. I again thanks to editorial board Chitranjan and Dr. Rachna Saxena for all their hard works, and the magazine has come out to be very nice. We're circulating it in groups. We'll be also sending a copy to Shiny ma'am to view it. And I again recognize presence of all the dignitaries. Dr. Rashmi Minj madam has joined, Champa ma'am has joined, and I wish we would have heard from each one of you, all the dignitaries, but seeing the time limitation and the further session, we would just give our regards to them. And now to propose vote of thanks for this particular session, I would like to invite our chapter secretary, Shalini, to take over. Shalini, please.
Namaste to all. On this special occasion of magazine release, I would like to thank our chief patron, Dr. Avna Palta Madam, for her continuous guidance and support. I would also like to thank our speaker, Ms. Saini Sundaran, for joining us. And also thanks to our Dr. Sandhya Verma Madam for her encouragement and cooperation. My heartfelt thanks to all live members who have contributed their article in this magazine.
So let us begin this session, and I invite Dr. Rachna Saxena, Executive Committee member, IDA Chhattisgarh, to formally introduce our speaker of today's session. Rachna.
One and all, and thank you so much, Madam Palta Madam, for your blessings, and all the seniors for your blessings, and all the friends and colleagues for your support for this NutriGuard magazine newsletter. Thank you so much. Now, it is my proud privilege to introduce today's guest, who is a renowned sports nutritionist. She is the first Indian to be certified with graduate diploma in sports nutrition from International Olympic Committee in 2008. She is level 2 kinanthropometrist, International Society for Advancement of Kinanthropometry, New Zealand. She is accredited sports dietitian, Australia. She has done her master's in food service management, Tamira Aesthetic Clinic, Chennai, and also a consultant sports nutritionist at Halston Badminton Center for Excellence, Tamil Nadu. She is a member of Board of Studies in Women Christian College and Madras University, Chennai. She is former member FSSAI, a working committee on sports supplements, former chairperson of the website Team Indian Dietetic Association, former board of study member, Tamil Nadu Physical Education and Sports University. And she has been invited as resource person in various international and national workshops. And she has been giving her services as an associated with different and various sports organization as a sports nutritionist. And she has presented her talk on various topics in different forums. And she is also an author of 2 books in Tamil. Madam, we will looking forward for the its English version also. And at last, but not the least, the clientele part. Her clientele includes international and domestic cricketers, competitive swimmers, squash, tennis players, badminton, table tennis, and individuals from film industry as well. So friends, let's get ready to listen to her. I'm also very excited. So now I invite Ms. Saini Sundaran Madam to start with her session.